Just got this TV off Craigslist for 30 bucks. It's a 55-inch LED LG model. Let me see what the numbers on it are. LG 55 LS 4500-UD. Anyways, LED TV, got it for 30 bucks. And the guy said it would come on, the LED light down in the corner would turn on solid red and it would blink 3 times, and sometimes it would go off hit or miss if you touched volume up or channel up or down. So I plugged it in and the standby mode did come on when you would plug it in and touch the power button. But when I got the panel off, I tested my voltage here, and I was getting, there's a legend you can see right below there where it shows what voltage should be on these prongs coming out from the power supply. And I was getting the 3.5 volt standby going out to the main board, but I was not getting the 24, the 12 volt, or some of these other readings. The grounds were fine. I was thinking about buying a power board, but after checking some of these diodes, took the fluke volt ohm meter, and if you hold it down for a little bit, it'll go into diode mode. It'll show if it's flowing voltage through a diode, and it'll give you your voltage drop. So what I did is I started testing some of these diodes, and it shows 0.5 volts going one way. When I flip it, going the other way, it shows nothing, which is what you want. You want voltage to be able to flow through one way and nothing the other way. So that's showing correct there. Showing 0.5 that way. Let me just test that again. Okay, 0.5 that way. When I flip my leads around, showing nothing. That's what you want. Well, this diode I pulled out, which is right here, this one was reading pretty much open both ways. I've already unsoldered it out, soldered in a new diode. See if I can. Yeah, so when I test, it was showing 0.004 volts, so almost infinity, like it's open either way. So that diode was bad. All the rest of them, it would actually show me like a reading one way and nothing the other way. So I knew that that diode had some issues. It would beep both ways. So I took it out, took a diode out of an old junk scrap board that I had out of a monitor that wasn't working. So I unsoldered a couple diodes out of this old scrap board. I soldered it into the monitor, and I ended up turning it on. It was too low a voltage. Something wasn't right. It was just a little bit smaller, and I ended up frying the diode. As soon as I plugged it in, you could hear it just smoked it. So I bought the correct diode. The numbers on this diode that came out, just in case you're wondering and you have a similar problem, I wrote it down here somewhere. MUR460AX. So you could really drop the AX on these numbers on the diode, so it's a 460. I looked it up online, and that's a 600 volt 4 amp diode. I'm going to button this thing back up and we'll see if it works. Got it buttoned back up. You want to turn the TV on? Push the button there. It's touch sensitive. Push right there. Yay! Okay, don't do it again. Looks like it's working. Yay! Isn't that fun, Haley? Haley! It's working, baby. Looks like it's working.